And then just let your body rest down. Now when I watch people doing this, I'll see a lot of people look like this. And then the neck is here. Try, if you can, rest down. If you need a cushion in between your arm or your hand and the head, then use it. You are not in a fetal position. Get your ankles underneath the knees, hand in front. So think about these outer thighs and these hips. Abduction. In breath and lower. Now, breath-wise, because there's no spinal movement as such, it's up to you how you breathe. You might want to do a shh as you lift up and a breath in as you lower down. I like to breathe in and breathe out. It's totally up to you. There's no spinal movement. Lift and lower. What I can't feel as I lift my leg is my pelvis rolling back. That's what we don't want. So we're doing around 12 repetitions. We should be halfway there. That's all. Lift and lower. And we lift and we lower. So I'm going to do 3 more and 2 more. The head relax. And 1 more. Then we have the rest. Now, when you're having a massage there, our next move, again, around 12 repetitions, 8 to 12, you're going to lift the leg. You're not bringing it in front. You're just going to lift it and stretch it down that mat. Squeeze. Bring it back in. It's like a reverse tabletop on your side. And lower. So lift, stretch, squeeze into the buttock. Back. And lower. So progress this move. The last few weeks we've lifted and we sort of brought the leg forwards. This time we're lifting and you're stretching away. Don't stop yet. It's quite normal that you're feeling lots of muscles right the way around that hip. It could be that you're feeling it into lower leg and lower. So again, lift, stretch, back, and lower. Come on, 8 to 12, 8's your minimum. So reach, and back, and lower. Are we aware of our centre? Are you aware of your core? Drawing in, you're not just lying there, collapsed on the floor. Lots of control going on. When you finish your last one, give it a massage out. Massage round, just give it a gentle, what I do sometimes see people doing, I don't know why, but punching hard. Whether they're feeling lots of pain, I don't know. Right, so last week I didn't add the circles into class because we worked on this. This week we're adding the circles. And it comes from the hip, not from the ankle. So you're going to lift, just stretch the legs. This time it comes slightly in front of you. And just give me a circle forwards. Give me a circle forwards. That's it. So you're not straight down the mat like you were a minute ago. Around 8 repetitions, about the size of a tea plate. Go the other way. So you've got this circumduction, just moving around, just keeping all these muscles healthy, strong. Because as we know, muscles either grow or they weaken. There's no in between. And release. Okay, should we come into a mermaid? Top hand, reach, come into seated.